Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reset share chart. And for this we go to edit, and then right here we click on delete all data and download. So we click on that and then confirm intraday data downloaded for Euro USD starting at 000, and then we do yes. And then right now we just deleted the data. And there is now one thing that we need to do. So if we click this away, and do no, and we go to our files, C, and then we have share chart, and then we search here for the share for config, and we do right mouse click and we delete this. Now we want to reopen share chart, and right now, if you can see, the share chart is back at his beginning level. So we just resetted everything. And this is what you need to do to reset your share chart. So now you need to set up everything from the basic and then you can start again. So this is how you reset your share chart. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.